Hey guys, it's Weezy, the Sexy Grandma 2K, and I'm coming at you with a what not to do. So as many of you know, I'm a registered nurse, and you guys know that nurses can't wear nails in the hospitals and when providing care because nails can harbor bacteria underneath and make our patients sicker. So we're not allowed to wear nails. So what I do is when I get off work and I have a few days off in a row, I go ahead and pop on some press-on nails so that when I'm filming for you guys, I can look a little cute. So these are some of the nails that I got from my local Walgreens. They're Kiss nails, and they were having a sale where you got to buy two and get one free. So your girl went a little ham. So I'm going to be showing you guys some of the ones that I got. They're very cute. I really like them. So check them out. Okay, y'all, so I'm not even going to front. I've only done this 2 or 3 times. So that's why I said this is a what not to do. Because I don't go, all ham with, doing a manicure, yada, yada, yada. Girl, I'm finna pop these nails on and be done, sis. So my real struggle is, I usually only have them on for like 2 or 3 days, but my struggle is taking them off. So if you guys know a easy way to take them off, please let me know in the comments. My girl, Miss Chrissy, told me to soak my hands in warm water, little soapy warm water, put some oil in it, and just kind of soak them off. So that's what I've been doing. I kind of let them get a little, loosened up or whatever, and then I pluck them off with my little tool that I use to push my cuticles back. So if y'all know a better way, please let your girl know. Now these are my little tools that I use while I'm doing my nails. I actually go in with some just coconut oil and kind of soften my cuticles up so that I can push them back. This stuff right here, this Jason coconut oil. It's really not Jason coconut oil in there anymore, y'all. It's some coconut oil that I bought off of Amazon where you get this big, huge container. I'm gonna have to show it to y'all one day. And yeah, you can use it for your body, for cooking, yada, yada, yada. But I just use mine for my body because that just didn't sound right to me to be cooking with something I'm putting on my, all over myself. But so yeah, I decided to just use this coconut oil to kind of soften up my cuticles and push them back because your girl's hands be looking raggedy. I am a OR nurse and I am constantly having to wash my hands. So my hands are constantly dry. My nails just constantly look a hot mess. And I even actually tried to, go get them done and do manicures or whatever. But the polish never lasts because I have to wash my hands 1 trillion times a day. So I even tried like gel polish and that doesn't even work. So I decided to heck with it. I'll just plop me on some pop-ons on my days off, record for y'all, and then plop them jokers right back off before I go to my real job. So that's what I'm doing. That's why I said this is what not to do, because it's going to be real quick. All I'm doing is this right here. And then I'm going to wipe that oil off. And I'm going to start putting those nails on. Now, y'all, I tried putting the nails on with... Okay, so you know how the nails come with some glue, like liquid glue. And then they also come with these things like that you stick on your nails or the back of the nail. It's like sticky kind of gel tape. I don't even know what to call it. It's kind of like a gummy bear. But you can put that on and stick the nails on with that. But whenever I do that, those nails pop off the same day. So I tried that once and I was like, oh, no. Your girl is not about this life because I need to put these nails on one time and be done. So I started using the like liquid glue stuff or whatever. And y'all, when I tell you that Kiss glue, nail glue stuff is really good. When I put it on, them nails stay on for until I take them off. So like I said, I'm wearing them like anywhere from 2 to 4 days in a row. And ever since I've been using that glue, they do not fall off with that Kiss glue that comes in that pack. So whatever they got in that stuff, that's some good stuff. So yeah. So I'm going to probably play some music and kind of fast forward this a bit so you guys can see what I did. Now, I will tell y'all, see, that's that nail glue stuff I'm talking about. Now, I will tell y'all, these nails right here are so cute. I really, really like them. But what I found in like my 3 times of doing this is the nails that are like, you know, clear on the nail bed and they just have like a little design on them, but the bottom of them is kind of clear. I don't even know if I'm making sense. Like you can kind of see through the design of the nail. I don't really like those guys because it's almost like you can see the dried glue underneath the nail, if that makes sense. So what I decided is I'm just going to be getting the nails that on the actual nail bed has the design so that you can't see through the nails. Now these nails here, this is how much I really don't know what the heck I'm doing. I thought these nails were called coffin nails. And I came to work and I showed one of my friends, hey, Emily. And she was like, girl, them are not coffin nails. Those are called stilettos. And I was like, oops, there it is. So I went ahead and Googled it. I Googled like, what's the difference between stiletto and coffin nails? And sure enough, these are stilettos. So you was right, Ems. Good looking out, sis. Now, you guys, I did go ahead. I laid the nails out. I've already measured them for the shape of my finger. And when I apply it, I found that it works better for me if I put that glue on my nail bed. And then I also put some on the back of the nail. It just seems to hold better for me. Yeah. So let me also say, whoever put them little bitty numbers on the back of them nails, they the devil, because that don't even make sense. Can't nobody see them numbers. So I'm going to go ahead and speed things up. I'm going to play some music for y'all and just sit back, sis, and watch me work. Working, twerking. I'm just kidding. I don't know how to twerk. But anyway.
I've been feeling emotional, thinking about you, babe. What can we focus on? What we should do? Tell me the truth, 'cause I don't wanna see you with somebody else. And I've been feeling lonely in this king-size bed. I'm trying not to worry about the things you say. I ain't got the time, you're always on my mind. Baby, why you playing with my love? I'm trying to be patient with you now. I'll never be sober if you don't pull me closer. Look me in my eyes and tell me how. I'm hypnotized. I'm hypnotized. I've been feeling delusional, thinking about us, babe. Your body's so beautiful. All I want is your love, can't get enough. 'Cause I don't wanna see you with somebody else. And I've been feeling lonely in this king-size bed. I'm trying not to worry about the things you say. I ain't got the time, you're always on my mind. Baby, why you playing with my love? I'm trying to be patient with you now. I'll never be sober if you don't pull me closer. Look me in my eyes and tell me how. I'm hypnotized. I'm hypnotized. I'm hypnotized.
this is my final look. And I must say I do like it. A couple of cons that I have. One, I don't like the pointy stiletto style. I had a really difficult time gripping things and just doing anything with my fingers with this particular shape. And also, if you guys see, I put on that right hand, there's two clear ones like on the index and the middle finger, and I didn't do that on the other side. It's because I couldn't find the right size for that first finger. I think I put the wrong size on the pinky that was supposed to be the first finger. Child, I don't know, something like that. But anyway, it still, you know, did the job, and I looked a little cute, so I'm cool with that. Okay, y'all, I'm done, and I'm pretty sure this is what not to do. But anyway, I hope you still hit that subscribe button. You guys be blessed, and remember what I always say, sis, to show somebody a little piece of heaven today.